What does OTA and real estate have to do with each other? Well, let me tell you. First off, let me apologize for the golf outfit here. I was just getting ready to head out to the course when I had this idea and I had to come and record it real quick. So let me get right into it. So OTA is the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority. And what does it have to do with real estate? Well, quite simply, they are planning to extend the Kickapoo Turnpike southbound, okay, through Newalla, a little bit into Moore, and down through Norman all the way down to Noble. And so what do you need to know, okay? I'm going to put the proposed route on the screen either here or here, probably over here. Actually, let me zoom in so you don't have to look at me, and we'll talk about the Turnpike, okay? So how does it affect you? Well, as a buyer, you want to know exactly where the Turnpike is proposed to be. Why? Well, eminent domain is why. If you own a home in an area where the proposed Turnpike is planned to be, it is possible and likely that they are going to make an offer for your home. And actually, it's going to be one of those offers that you can't refuse. You can refuse it. How the process is going to go is they're going to send an appraiser out and they're going to appraise your property, okay? And then they're going to send that appraisal to another appraiser who's going to verify the first appraiser. So it's going to be two appraisers looking at this. Then they're going to send you an offer. Now you can refuse the offer if you like. However, if you do, then your property will go through a process called eminent domain. And that is when you get the lawyers involved and a judge, and I believe it's a 3-judge panel that takes a look at everything, and then they decide what you're going to get paid for your property. And at that point, you don't have a choice. They give you the price, and then that's it. So now that I just fast forwarded probably 8 years into the future. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because when you're looking for homes in the Newalla, Norman, Moore area, you need to be aware of where the Turnpike is going, just so that you have that knowledge that that is a possibility, okay? And so let me say this. I'm not a lawyer and I'm not trying to give you legal advice, okay? All I'm trying to say is to do your research, all right? The Turnpike is running, and on the map, I believe, let me see, let me pull it up here on my computer. Okay, so I labeled I-40 for those of you that may be moving to the Oklahoma City area and really aren't that familiar. I labeled I-40, I-35, and those are the two main highways that go through Oklahoma City. But it also, part of the Turnpike is basically going to follow Indian Hills Road. And so if a home that you're interested in is on Indian Hills Road, then you need to be aware of this, okay? I'm going to link everything in the description, the Access Oklahoma site. They have a ton of information. They've got Q&A there, they've got videos. You could zoom in really tight, and maybe I'll put right here an example of it zoomed in, how close it's going to be to my house. It's actually proposed to be about a half a mile from my house. So maybe I'll get a letter, maybe I won't. But you just need to be aware of it. If you're a seller, I would recommend that you disclose it, okay? Again, I'm not a lawyer, but honesty is the best policy here. If you got a letter already that they are coming to survey your land and you put your home up for sale and you do not disclose that, I don't know. You may be looking for trouble. Maybe you get away with it, maybe you don't. I always opt to disclose as much as possible. I would want the buyer to have all the information to make that decision, okay? So again, I'm gonna link all the information below. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, but I just wanna make all of you aware. Now, if you have any specific questions, please give me a call. My phone number, my email, everything is linked below. Just contact me. You can even reach out in the comments. I do read the comments, and I will answer you back in the comments. And if I don't have the answer, I'll find it for you, or lead you in the right direction of where to find it. Okay? Again, quick video, and I'm off to go play golf. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.